What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV, y'all. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all boys. Y'all boys see, I know y'all boys already can tell we got the bumper wrap. The shit is not matching up too good at all. You feel me? Y'all can see that color difference. It's really very different. But if y'all don't know, when y'all get y'all car wrapped and you have to buy some more wrap, the shit do not be the same. Like, it ain't gonna be the same color exactly. It's gonna be similar, but you feel me? Not too much. But enough of all that talking, they're gonna get in the car because they hide the shit out this bitch. No better. Woo! I'm happy we got AC in this hoe, but we do not have no motherfucking gas, nigga. So we gotta go ahead and go to the goddamn gas station because, you feel me, we gonna be assed out in a minute. So let's go ahead and pop this thing up in where we're gonna ride in today. You feel? We're gonna put that bitch in tracky mode, nigga. On everything. Y'all already know we gotta cut the traction control off in this bitch, nigga. I already know we gotta get the remote, cut the purple lights on, you feel me? Cause you know we riding in promethazine, no doubt. You feel me? And we can go ahead and get her done, you feel me? So today, y'all niggas can tell by the thumbnail, my nigga, I'm hungry as shit. And I'm tired of eating fried food, you know, and like badass food and shit, you feel me? So I'm gonna go pick up me some motherfucking salmon. You feel me? Because, you feel me, when you eat fish, my nigga, this shit is light, it's fulfilling, and it made you feel like you did some good ass eating, you feel me? So I'm gonna go get me some motherfucking salmon. But first, what we gotta do is go to the motherfucking gas station to fill that bit up with that gas, nigga. You feel me? Damn, I left my, oh no I didn't. You feel me? I was finna say, I thought I had left my goddamn gun, but you know, a real nigga always keep that gun. You feel? We got the Gen 6 Glock 19 with the extendo clip with a whoa. No, we ain't got no switch on the back of that bitch, but hey, shit, as long as you got good aim, that's all that matters. I really want to put an FRT trigger on my shit, but this is my everyday carry gun at the moment, and yeah, feel me, I don't think that'll be a good idea because I know the police be on that weird shit. They'll fuck around and say I got an incognito switch on my shit because of the trigger reset or some shit, and my ass will be goddamn in jail, goddamn, with no bail. So I ain't gonna put no FRT on that gun. I might do it to the Drake, you feel me? Because yeah, I ain't bringing the Drake out the house for real because the police able to be taken. Well, Birmingham, Birmingham, all the police will do that shit to me because they be dick riding and gobbling dick because they be hating. You feel me? Hopefully this camera ain't too goddamn bouncy. I guarantee you this bitch bouncing because this camera is heavy as hell. Let's see, I'm for the goddamn, I gotta get y'all boys some sound. A little sound. Let y'all boy hear that bitch. You feel me? I can't go too crazy. Damn. I ain't got a lick of gas in this hole. You feel me? Let's see, I'm trying to figure out what way I need to go. I guess I'll just go straight. This goddamn camera mount heavy is, oh shit, hell. Oh shit! God damn! I did not see that shit in the road. I ain't know that bitch was that bumped up. That bitch bumped up bad on everything. This bitch almost caught air. Yeah, that's why you ain't supposed to drive like that on these type of roads, you feel me? You know what, fuck that track mode shit, y'all. I forgot that shit too goddamn aggressive. It gonna seem like goddamn I'm having a siege out this bitch with the footage. Shit gonna be bouncing all over the goddamn place. No cap. You know what, man? Fuck that mount, nigga. I'ma hold this shit with my goddamn hand. Fuck all that. On everything. That shit was bouncing too goddamn hard. That shit bust me in my motherfucking eye. Goddamn nigga eye stinging like a bitch. Fuck wrong with this motherfucking mount. Alright, y'all, so now that we're at the gas station, let me show y'all niggas how y'all niggas supposed to pump y'all gas, you feel me? So first, you supposed to get your gun. I ain't gonna do it on camera, but you need to put one in the head, you feel me? Because you never know what nigga gonna try you. I suggest y'all get a Glock because they're pretty reliable. Don't be pumping no gas with no high point. You gonna get your ass high pointed in the head. Oh God. And your ass ain't gonna be able to talk, breathe, or do shit anymore, nigga. You gonna be dead, and these niggas gonna be sliding the SRT at the car meet. So listen to a nigga who got experience, no doubt. So you gonna put a bullet in the head, you gonna put your shit on the seat, or get you a holster and pump your gas with your hand on the trigger while you pumping the gas. A nigga might walk up to you and be like, damn, this bit hard. Whole time I'm agreeing with his ass, but I got my hand on that trigger. As soon as you move wrong, nigga, you're gonna see a bullet blow through my shorts by my meat, and that shit gonna shoot you in your goddamn stomach, and you gonna be on a shit bag, nigga. We currently filling this thirsty motherfucker up, you feel me? The gas price is $4, $400, what that is, $4. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. They got too many digits, but the shit is this. So we gonna put probably about $35 in here, because I'm not finna fill this bitch up, you feel me? I don't feel like it. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? No doubt. Boom, we got her some gas. Now you gotta jiggle that little bit of coochie juice into the hole. You gotta get that shit all in it. You feel me? Then you gotta put the shit back where you got it from. Then put the cap on that bit, or you will get a check in like no doubt. Might as well give y'all boys a little walk around, you feel me? Let y'all boys see how off this motherfucking bumper is from the rest of the car, but shit, as long as the bitch clean, nigga, it really don't motherfucking matter, no cap. Oh yeah, here go the red. I had to get me another red eye spoiler, so we do got that bit on now too. For y'all haven't watched the last video, well actually the video before last. Well no, it is the last video. You feel me? I can't remember shit because my brain is fried, my nigga. Okay, we're back up in the whip. As you can see, we got 106-mile range with the gas. So that should get us to where we need to go. You feel me? Hopefully it don't rain out this bitch, because I'm gonna be in a very, very sticky motherfucking situation. And there's a nigga next to me looking directly in the car like I did some bad shit. So now we can leave this bitch. You feel me? Now we can leave. I think I'm finna goddamn yeah, fuck with that Hellcat. That's all it is. Nigga fuck with that Hellcat, nigga. Nigga fuck with that Hellcat. Nigga, stand up in that bitch. Stand up in this bitch. I'm sorry, y'all. I just got sidetracked, you feel me? It just, sometimes them motherfucking car just do something to a nigga, you feel me? You feel me? SRT have a nigga doing all type of shit. Catching hacks, nigga. Selling dope, pimping, you feel me? All kinds of shit, nigga. That nigga frame twisted on his motherfucking truck. That bitch going down the road sideways, nigga. On everything. Oh shit, my fault, y'all. I forgot about the seatbelt. You feel me? My fault. Don't unsubscribe, my nigga. That was a real mistake. But I swear it been out rain out there, ho. On everything. That's why a nigga need to hurry up and do what he gotta do. We come through that bitch trim. Y'all hit that supercharger? You gotta come through that bitch trim. Goddamn. Oh shit. When I ride in track mode, that shit had me nauseated. All that bouncing around and shit. What you gotta do, downshift, and stand up in that bitch again, nigga. Stand up in that bitch again. What's wrong with him? On everything, nigga. What is in front of us? This little AMG Mercedes? What is? Oh no. Wait. Oh no. That nigga don't want no smoke. I was gonna put belt to dick. No belt. Damn, these niggas driving slow as a bitch, but I don't blame them, because Hewlett Town be in niggas' driveways camping with a speed gun to catch a nigga speeding so they give him a ticket, nigga. I'm like, damn, these niggas dedicated her. That motherfucking bitch. You gotta get in sync with your car. Like, you gotta have a real love connection with your car. Like, why they? You can't do the last part though. You fuck around and crash this bitch. your pockets gonna feel it, no doubt. Whoa, 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 whoa! Nigga, you no motherfucking signal, nigga. Who the fuck that nigga think he is? That nigga think he can drive without obeying the laws of the road? Nigga, I'm the only one who can do that shit, nigga. I'm gonna chase his ass down. Hold on. Hey, fuck, nigga! Damn, that nigga brakes. He don't even got no brakes on this bitch. Y'all hear that shit? Hold on. That nigga shit sound like a cat. A cat that got stuck in a goddamn something. Them squeak ass brakes. Shit, I'll change the nigga brakes for him. Shit, he just gotta come with the pay. That nigga shit sound terrible. I know his ass gonna need brakes and rotors. You gotta switch lanes in Hilltown. You gotta switch lanes in Hilltown like this. You feel me? You gotta switch lanes in Hilltown like this. You feel me? These slow ass niggas. You feel me? You gotta work your way down through that bitch. You feel me? Fuck the police. I know them niggas be watching my page. Hey, if you watch this page, nigga, I don't fucking know what the fuck I was finna say. But nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Boom. Now I'm very close. I'm pulling up to the spot where I get my salmon from. Y'all don't know about Aldi's? Nigga, you get you a slab of salmon, nigga, for $20. You throw that bitch on the grill, nigga. You feel me? And you make you some rice with that bitch. Nigga, you good. Or you could just eat the grilled salmon with some vegetables and shit, you feel me? Yeah, don't sleep on that salmon shit, nigga. That shit really good on everything. And you already know we got a double park as usual, because that's the only way to park. When you in the SR, don't forget to end it, nigga. The SR motherfucking T, nigga. Oh shit. This lady looking at me, she probably think I got a problem. It's okay. Everybody, most every nigga with a Hellcat got a problem. But that's besides the point. Now let's shut this motherfucker off. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I got my motherfucking salmon. That thick ass salmon, you feel me? So I done completed my task for the day. Now I'm gonna take my ass home before it start raining, because I think it's gonna rain. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. You feel me? Make sure y'all check out the other videos. Make sure y'all check out my other socials. And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace. Make sure y'all boys enjoy the rest of y'all motherfucking day. No bet.